Call it the Lake City or the Venice of the East or the most romantic city of India, Udaipur is known by many names. Visitors flock to this enchanting, old and modern town in the heart of the Aravalli Mountains. It has a rich history. It was named the world's best city by Travel and Leisure magazine for 2009, making it the first South Asian city to be awarded this title. City Palace, standing on the east bank of Lake Pichola, is a massive series of palaces built at different times from 1559. Its main entrance is through the triple-arched gate, the Tripolia, built in 1725. The way now leads to a series of courtyards, overlapping parishes, terraces, corridors and gardens. The More Chowk, Peacock Courtyard, gets its name from the mosaics in glass decorating its walls. There are numerous other palaces such as Dilkhush Mahal, Sheesh Mahal, Moti Mahal and Krishna Vilas in memory of a princess of striking beauty who poisoned herself to avert a bloody battle for her hand by rival princes. The Jagdish Temple is a large Hindu temple in the middle of Udaipur. The Jagdish Temple is raised on a tall terrace and was completed in 1651. It was built by Maharana Jagat Singh I in 1651 AD. It is an example of Indo-Aryan architecture. Lake Pichola is a lake that has two islands, Jagnivas and the Jag Mandir. This lake is 4 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide, originally built by Maharana Uday Singh II. There are many ghats like the bathing ghat and washing ghats, which can be approached through boats from the city palace. In the heart of the lake stands the Lake Palace, which was built between 1743 and 1746. It is made of marble and is situated on Jagnivas Island in Lake Pichola. It was originally built as a royal summer palace, but is now a luxury 5-star hotel operating under the Taj Hotels Resorts and Palaces banner. And many of the palaces have been converted into luxury hotels. Jag Mandir is another island in Lake Pichola, which is known for its garden courtyard. Shah Jahan took refuge here while revolting against his father. There is a restaurant run by the HRH group of hotels. Atop the Moti Magri or Pearl Hill, overlooking the Fateh Sagar Lake, is the memorial of the Rajput hero Maharana Pratap with a bronze statue of the Maharana astride his favorite horse, Chetak. Shilpgram, a crafts village near Fateh Sagar, transports you in altogether a unique world of traditions and customs. recently started Karni Mata Ropeway has been getting popular amongst tourists. It is a ride of about 500 meters from Doodh Talai Garden to Ropeway Junction at another hill, where old and well-known temple of Karni Mata goddess is situated.